Question number 32. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus cot x dx. So first we can convert this in sine and cos terms. So integration of 1 upon 1 plus cos x upon sin x dx, which is equal to integration of 1 upon sin x plus cos x dx. We have to multiply and divide by 2. So on doing so we will get 2 sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Also we will add and subtract cos x in the numerator, which will give us half. 2 sin x can be written as sin x plus sin x. So first we will add cos x and subtract cos x. Upon sin x plus cos x dx. So 2 sin x, we have written it separately, sin x plus sin x, and we have added and subtracted cos x. On doing so, we will get, now putting it the brackets here, so sin x plus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx plus half of sin x minus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. We have separated it out. Now this whole gets cancelled, so 1 will be left, and integration of 1 will be x plus half of this as it is dx. Now if we will see here, sin x plus cos x, we can let it as t, and differentiation of this will be this numerator one. So let sin x plus cos x as t. So differentiating with respect to x, dt will give us cos x minus sin x dx. So we can write half of cos x plus half of, now from here it will become minus 1 upon t dt. Here it is cos x minus sin x, and here it is sin x minus cos x, so minus sign will come here. On integrating, we will get half of x minus half log of t. So t, I am writing it directly, which will give us mod of sin x plus cos x plus c. So this will be the answer. Question number 33. Integration of 1 upon 1 minus tan x dx. So this is a similar question as 32, and both 32 and 33 question are very important. So similarly, as we did in 32, we are doing this way. We can write this tan x in terms of sin and cos. So integration of 1 upon, writing it directly, cos x upon cos x minus sin x dx. Now multiplying and dividing by 2, half integration of 2 cos x upon cos x minus sin x dx, half of integration of, adding and subtracting sin x in the numerator, we will get cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx. Now here half of, we can separate these out. So half of cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx plus half of cos x minus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx. So from here we have separated them out, which will give us, here we can let the denominator as t and dt will be the numerator. So let t is equal to cos x minus sin x, dt is equal to minus sin x minus cos x dx. So taking the minus sign as common, we can get this. So we will get half of cos x sin x is t and this will be dt. So half of minus 1 upon t dt plus half of this will be cancelled out. So 1 integration of 1 will be x. So half of minus log of t, t is cos x minus sin x. So mod of cos x minus sin x plus half of x, which can be written as minus 1 by 2 log cos x minus sin x in the mode plus half of x plus c.